Hello, good afternoon. My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the Oracle. Welcome to my mini education series. Today I'm looking at targeting on your Facebook ads. All right, Facebook ads. It also affects Instagram ads because both of them are both run. Facebook ads and Instagram ads are run on the Facebook ads platform. So I'm just going to talk to you a few things about targeting today. Remember, as I say always, strategies win battles, not weapons. You want to win your wars, you want to win your battles, work on your strategies. I don't mean don't get weapons. Get weapons, but work on your strategies. Your strategies are absolutely important. If not, you would have weapons, but not know what to do with them. Okay? So let's dive right in. Targeting. Now, in your ads, when you're running ads, okay? If you know when you've set up everything, you've written all those beautiful things, that you get down, jump step 1, step 2, step 3, you click continue, you get to the place where you have to do a detailed targeting. Okay, so now I'm looking at this from my ads manager. Okay, now there's an ads manager app on your phone. So this is the ads manager app on my phone. So we can see clearly here we can see interest, right? We can see demographics, we can see behaviors. These are the three main things that affect your targeting. Okay, interest, demographics, behaviors. So you want to think the people I want to see my ad, the people that would most likely be interested in my ad, what are they interested in? Get the idea, right? That's what interest is about. What are they interested in? Okay, if I want to do an ad for let's say I'm running an ad for Nike, for example. Okay, so you have Nike canvas, Nike running, all those running shoes and all that, all those very nice sporty wears, right? So I'm thinking the people that would like a Nike advert, would like my Nike shoes or buy my Nike wears, what would they be interested in? Those people will probably be interested in things like football, interested in things like sports. Okay, they'll be following top football people, maybe like Ronaldo, Messi. You know the likes. That's interest. Now demographics will be their age, education, employment. One or two things about unique definitions of those people. Okay, be how old are they? Are they male or female? Um, Educational level, employment, and all of that. Now, behaviors works on how these people behave online. Okay, are they people that like watching videos? Okay, so if I have a video that I want to put up for that advert, I'll probably be looking for people that like watching videos. So what kind of behavior do they have? Do they shop online? Okay, are they people that buy things a lot online? Are they people that play videos online? What do they do online? Okay, what kind of behavior do they have online? Are they people that like to comment? Are they people that like to read text? Are they people that just like and go away? All those kind of behaviors. So let's go down to interest. So let's see. So we'll click interest right now. So under interest, you have business and industry, entertainment, family relationships, fitness and wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and outdoors, technology. Remember I talked about Nike. So people that will be interested in Nike things will probably be interested in things like fitness and wellness. Okay, probably be interested in things like hobbies and activities, interested in things like sports and outdoors. Okay, so let's see fitness and wellness. So I've clicked fitness and wellness. So under fitness and wellness, you have bodybuilding, meditation, physical exercise, physical fitness, running, weight training, yoga. Right? Do you get what I'm saying? So you can click all these things. All these plus signs at the corner here is for you to click any of them. All those plus signs for you to click any of them. So you can click any one. Okay. Now under business and industry, you have advertising, you have agriculture, architecture, aviation, banking, business, construction, design. Business has several other interests. Sorry, I say business. Banking has several other interests under. So if you click banking, right, under banking you have investment banking, you have online banking, you have retail banking. Right. This is the reason why I love Facebook ads. As in, they just break it down. They just go down to the limits. break all these things down. Under interest, you have small business, you have science, you have sales, you have retail, you have property, you have personal finance, you have online interest. Under online interest, let's click online interest. Under online interest, you have digital marketing, email marketing, display advertising, search engine, online advertising, social media marketing, social media, web design, web development, web hosting. Okay, so if you are trying to advertise to somebody like me, these are the areas you might want to click. So you click online interest, then go inside and pick all those other beautiful things. All right, so you have nursing interest, you have marketing, you have management. See this breakdown. All right, now which other one? Okay, let's look at food and drink. So food and drink, you have alcoholic drink, you have cooking, you have cuisine, you have interests. Sorry, you have drinks, you have food, you have restaurants. Now the beauty of this is when you pick any one of them, okay, if you pick any one of these interests, while you are picking them, as you pick them and you go further down, you find out that Facebook continues to suggest some to you. I also advise that you pick them. Why? Because these are interests that Facebook has found goes along with the interest that you are picking already. Yes, you know the people that you want to target and you know the interest that they have. Good. But you might not know all they are interested in, and you might not know similar people to them what they are interested in. So you can get those people, you can get a couple of people also similar to them based on the suggestions Facebook gives you. So when Facebook offers you those targeting suggestions, you want to take it. Okay, so click on it and take it. So let's go to demographics. So you have demographics. For demographics, you have education, you have life events, you have parents, you have politics, you have relationship, you have work. So let's check out relationship status. Okay, now other relationship status, you have civil partnership, complicated in a relationship, engaged, open relationship. These are some of the things Facebook put up in their pages, so it can help you target. For example, if you are a divorce lawyer, for example, if you're a divorce lawyer, you want to start looking at people like this person said they are separated. Maybe you're thinking of people like this. This was people say they are divorced. Right? You might want to represent them maybe for some other thing. So all these relationship issues, if you are selling things maybe related to, let's say, marriage, somebody wants to get married, like this person is single now, person might be preparing for a wedding, so you might want to target somebody that is single. You might want to target somebody that is in a relationship. You might want to target somebody that is engaged. Okay, so it just breaks it down so easy for you to target. So you're targeting, picking out these little areas is a major thing for you when you are trying to run your ads. Okay, so as much as you can, learn to target properly. Okay, learn to target properly. That's why I'm taking the pains now to teach this. Interest, demographics, and behaviors. Now, behaviors, are they mobile phone users? Are they mobile device users? Okay, so now we're looking at mobile device users. So we have Samsung device users. Okay, so we can target people that own Galaxy X9. Okay, there are about 5 million of them own Galaxy X9. Okay, who else can we target? Let's see. Okay, you can target people based on anniversary. See, anniversary, they've had an anniversary within the last 61 to 90 days, right? Consumer classification. Okay, so let's look at that. People, let's see, that's Argentina, different countries. Let's see, which country do we pick? Let's pick South Africa, for example. So we have people in South Africa who prefer high value, people in South Africa who prefer high value goods, people in South Africa who prefer mid and high goods. You can see all these categorizations. So let's say you are selling real estate, for example. You might want to pick up people that have high value goods, right? Like, people who prefer high value goods. Okay, rather than go to pick people who like mid. Okay, you get what I'm trying to say, right? Targeting properly is absolutely important. Consumer classification, so that's targeting based on classifications that Facebook has of different consumers. Okay, so let us see. Mobile device users. Okay, now look at this again. This is another breakdown. Mobile device users. Now it can break it down based on brand. Okay, so based on brand, so you can see Google, HTC, LG, owns Alcatel, owns Cherry Mobile, owns Joni, owns Huawei, owns Micromax. You know, you can see all this. You can break it, take it further down. You can see the Samsung that we saw earlier. Now this Samsung now has Samsung Galaxy Grand, Galaxy Grand 2, Galaxy Note, Galaxy Note 4. You know, you can break it down. S3 Mini, S5, S6, S7, like me. Okay, we're about 17.1 million people that own S5. Okay, S6 has about 20 million people. Okay, yeah, there are more owners of X6. Galaxy Tab 3, Galaxy Tab 4, okay, Tab 4 like me, 5.7 million people. You know, you can break it down. Let's say you want an app and you want only Samsung users to download the app, for example. Now, you can actually break it down like that. All right, isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Yeah? I hope you guys can see all this. Just enjoying it. It's beautiful, man. When I see these beautiful things, I'm so happy, and I pray every day for Mark Zukenna Chukwu. He's an Igbo man. The other what people keep saying. Mark is an Igbo guy. His name is Mark Zukenna Chukwu. So I've told you. So you can also target based on network connection behaviors. Right. So network type 2G, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi. Me, I'm on 4G and Wi-Fi all the time. Okay, so people like us, they can target us. You see? Then it's just cool. Something as detailed as the kind of network somebody uses. Something as detailed as that. That's why I say the number one advert platform is still Facebook. As in, you can break all these things down and get to the nitty gritty. Alright? And it's still cheap. With this breakdown, it's still cheap. Still this cheap. Alright? So, which other consumer behavior we go to? Okay, digital activities. Let's see. Digital activities. They use Facebook payments. They are early technology adopters. They are console gamers. Page admins like me. What else? You can target them based on operating system use. Okay, so let's say operating system use. Aha, you can target based on the Mac OS. You can target based on Windows 10 like me, Windows 7 like me before, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows XP. Just name it. As in, what else do you want? Okay, let's look at small business owners. So you have small business owners. That's a behavior you can actually target. What else? What else? Okay, internet browser used. Okay, so let's click internet browser used. Aha, Chrome like me, Firefox like me, Internet Explorer like me, Microsoft Edge like me, Opera like me. I don't use Safari, but I use all these other ones. So you can target all this. Okay, beautiful, right? So how many of you use all this targeting? You can target people on different types of behavior. Travel behavior. Let's look at travel behavior. Okay, travel behavior. They are commuters, frequent international travelers. They returned from traveling recently, maybe 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago. If you are into the travel business, rather than start sending me all those emails, I'm not a traveler like that. So when you send me all those emails of traveling, I'm not really kidding. Come here, target properly, okay? So I've given you a tip for real estate people. All right, target high-end people. You can get that from there. I give you a tip right now for travel agencies. Target travel behavior. Okay, so soccer, yeah. So I talked about Nike before. So Nike, the Nike, if you're into Nike or you're promoting Nike or things like that, you might want to come here. You want to look at football fans. You want to look at friends of football fans. You want to click soccer and see all those beautiful things there. What else can you check? Let's see more categories. You can check people interested in upcoming events like me. I'm always interested in events. So you can also check out those kind of people. I think it's just beautiful, right? 3 major things. Remember, interests, demographics, behaviors. All right, I want to stop here, guys. All right, I have a training coming up soon. Ask me about it. Send me a DM and we could talk about it, right? I'll send this to you guys. If you have any questions, you can get me on any of my social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Okay, I am my name on Instagram, my username or my handle is at the Oracle VA, at THEORACLEVA, at the @ THEORACLEVA. All right, so that's on social media. On WhatsApp, you can find me at 08067804212. Okay, now for my international audience, you could just add the +234, then you add 8067804212. Okay, that's how you can reach me on WhatsApp. Okay, so as I said earlier, my name is Victor Anyanwu. I handle social media, everything social media. They call me the social media oracle. I handle everything social media. Okay, we run ads, we teach how to run ads, we manage accounts, we teach how to manage accounts. We teach and we help with social media strategy. We help you use social media to attract prospects and convert them to paying customers. So that's what I do. So manage accounts, will handle social media, everything, marketing, management, ads. What else do we do? We handle online reputation management. You want to make sure that your brand is being represented online the way it should be represented. All right, not that somebody called you a thief. That one is appearing higher than you, what you say about yourself. All right, so we can help you take out those insultive pages or those insulting things that are ranking and rank you with the good things that you want to rank for. Okay, we can respond and take advantage of things in your niche for you. We do online listening, we do online monitoring, all these beautiful things that we do. All right, so get in touch with me, 08067804212. For my international callers or my international users, add the +234 code, +234 international code. Okay, for Nigeria, +234 international code. So it's 08067804212. All right, thank you for listening. Do not forget, strategies win battles, not weapons. See you in my next series. All right.